Okay, good morning, my dear fourth class children. Are you listening the lessons, children? Many of your friends coming to school. You too try to come to school. Okay, children? Okay, coming to the lesson. A fine morning to everyone. What we have discussed the day before yesterday, children? What is the name of lesson? Environment. What is meant by environment? The natural surroundings of a living thing. The natural surroundings of a living thing is called our environment. The word environ means our surroundings. Our surroundings include many living things and non-living things. So, environment includes many living and non-living component. Already you know that our surroundings include many living and non-living things or components. Okay. What we have discussed the day before yesterday. What is waste? So much of waste produced from our homes, hospitals, schools, factories, offices. Okay. Yes, so much of waste produced from our houses and in our surroundings. Okay, waste is two types, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste produced from the kitchen only, no, all kitchen waste. Okay, leftover food, tea powder, okay, and dry leaves. So much of waste produced from the park also. Okay, so biodegradable waste decomposed by microorganisms and mixed into the soil. Such waste is called biodegradable waste. All biodegradable waste put it in the green bin. And non-biodegradable waste, the waste which cannot decomposed by the bacteria. Bacteria cannot eat plastic cans, okay, rubber, tires and polythene covers, okay. That's why they are not at all mixed into the soil. For decompose, they are taking hundreds of years, long time to decompose or to mix into the soil. So non-biodegradable waste which are not decomposed by microorganisms, those are called non-biodegradable waste. Okay, plastics, okay, and soft drink cans, okay, polythene covers, tires, pesticides. These are not okay, aluminium vessels. All these are all the non-biodegradable waste. Okay, before throw the waste material, you have to separate the waste as biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Where should you throw the biodegradable waste? Yes, you should throw the biodegradable waste into the green bin, green color dustbin. Okay, and we have to put all non-biodegradable waste in the blue bin. Okay, I too yes kept two dustbins in my home. Yes, before throwing once check is it biodegradable or non-biodegradable. It is your duty to separate the waste material as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Okay, children, every day while coming to school or going to home, we observe so much of traffic. Yes, traffic jam in bazaar, no children. Yes. Okay, so when we are held up in traffic jam, how do you feel, amma? How do you feel when we are held up in traffic jam? How do you feel? Yes, absolutely, you are right. We feel very uncomfortable for breathing, no children. We feel suffocated and exhausted to do have a such smoke and noise of horns, isn't it? So that is the pollution that causes the pollution. Okay, now let us discuss what is pollution and its type. Okay, children, so let us discuss about pollution and its type. What is called pollution? The presence of harmful substances which make the air contaminated or pollute or dirty is called pollution. So what is called pollution? The presence of harmful substances. What are the harmful substances? Harmful substances are released by vehicles, okay, and yes, factories and industries, okay, which make the air contaminated or pollute. That is called pollution. So harmful changes made in the environment due to human activities are called pollution. Am I okay? I come again. What is called pollution? The presence of harmful substances. What are the harmful substances present in the air? Yes, gases, smoke, ash, fine particles of ash, okay, and carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen. These are all the harmful gases, harmful substances. Okay, so the presence of harmful substances which make the air contaminated or dirty, that is called pollution. There are mainly four types of pollution. What are the four kinds of pollution? Four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution. Okay, mainly there are three types of pollution, okay, and air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Okay, children, if you throw waste, so much of waste produced from our surroundings, if you throw all waste material on the land gets polluted, and also air gets polluted. If you throw all waste material into water bodies also polluted. Okay, children, so many vehicles blow horns every day. Okay, that is also called noise pollution. Okay, children, before that, okay, what are called pollutants? Harmful substances which make the air pollute, those are called pollutants. Okay, the things which harm the environment, those are called pollutants. So harmful substances that polluting the environment, don't confuse children. What are called pollutant? The harmful substances which polluting the environment are called pollutants. They may be solid form, they may be liquid form, they may be gaseous form. Okay, so pollutants means the harmful things which make the environment pollute. Okay, children, don't confuse. Harmful substances, okay, that polluting environment are called or is known as pollutants. Okay, what are the four kinds of pollution? What are the four types of pollution? There are mainly four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. These are all the mainly four types of pollution. Okay, at first we will discuss about the air pollution. Okay, children, at first let us know about the air pollution. Contamination of air by harmful substances is known as the air pollution. Already we know that. Last year you have to learn what is atmosphere. The huge blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. No, children? Yes, atmosphere, yes, it is very essential to survival of all living things and non-living things. Okay, children? So what is called atmosphere? The huge blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. It is very essential for survival of all living organisms. Living organisms means plants, animals, and human beings. Okay, now already we know that air is the mixture of several gases, of which nitrogen 78% present in the atmosphere, 21% oxygen present in the atmosphere, and 1% of other gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, smoke, some inert gases also present in the air. Okay, children, and also listen, yes, air is said to be polluted if the levels of harmful gases, particles present in the atmosphere are high enough to affect the all living organisms. So what is called air pollution? Harmful substances, the contamination of air by harmful substance is called air pollution. What are the main source of air pollution? What are the main source of air pollution? Industries, factories, and vehicles are the main source of air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? Yes. Okay, all vehicles release black smoke, no children, harmful gases, smoke released by vehicles. Okay, fine particles of ash, metals, and toxic chemicals released by factories. Okay, and motor vehicles are the main cause of air pollution. All the vehicles use fuels, no, such as diesel, petrol, kerosene. Okay, if the fuels are burned, all the vehicles release gases, poisonous gases, and also smoke. Okay, when these mix into the atmosphere, no children, if we breathe all kinds of gases and smoke, when we may get sick, no children. So what are the main cause of air pollution? Smoke releasing from the industries and vehicles and factories, and also so much of gas is also released from the vehicles and industries and factories. Okay, and also burning of fuels. Fuels means petrol, diesel, kerosene. If the vehicle move, they need petrol, no children. They need diesel or kerosene, no children. Those are all the fuels. Coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene. These are all the fuels. When the fuels are burned, they release black smoke and poisonous gases. Okay, all these emit gases, no children, and smoke. Okay, these also mix into the air. If we breathe that kind of smoke and poisonous gases, we may get sick, no? Okay, so what are the effects of air pollution? Air pollution can cause cancer, okay, trouble in breathing, that is called asthma, and sometimes lungs, the major organs may affected by air pollution, sometimes brain damage, okay, and also burning sensation of eyes. Okay, if you breathe that kind of black smoke, we feel dizziness, okay, always we feel sleepy, and skin problems, itching sensation of the skin, burning sensation in the eyes. Okay, all these are all the effects of air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? If we breathe that kind of air, that kind of poisonous gases, we may get okay, so many diseases like cancer, trouble in breathing, and the major organs, lungs also damage, brain also damage, burning sensation in the eyes, okay, and itching sensation of the skin. We feel headache. Okay, sometimes we feel so much of headache because of the air pollution. Okay, so how to control the air pollution, amma? Okay, before that I am going to explain acid rain. What is called acid rain? Acid rain means yes, what is called acid rain? Okay, acid rain, all these are poisonous gases and black smoke mix into the air, no children? Okay, mix into the air, no? So pollutants like sulfur dioxide, oxides are nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, all these released from the vehicles and factories and industries, no children? All these poisonous gases and smoke mix into the air and mix with the moist air, mix with the moist in the air and forming acids. When these acids combine with raindrops and fall on the earth as acid rain. Okay, acid rain damages the plants and buildings, okay, besides polluting the soil and also food sources. Okay, children. So how to control the air pollution? Is it possible for us? Yes, definitely. How to control air pollution? By using eco-friendly gas, that is called compressed natural gas. Okay, use CNG gas, children. CNG means compressed natural gas. Nowadays people are using eco-friendly gas, that is called CNG gas only. Number of people are using CNG gas, compressed natural gas, children. And also you should plant more trees. They only absorb lot of pollution and make the air pure, no children. They filter the carbon dioxide gas and give us oxygen, no children. That's why you should grow more plants and trees around your yes, houses or factories or industries or schools. Okay, now plants only purify the air. They only filter the carbon dioxide. They only release the oxygen. Okay, if plants are not there, if carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide is more in the atmosphere and also decrease the level of oxygen in the atmosphere. That's why we should grow more plants and trees in our surrounding. Wherever you are, you have to plant more trees. Okay, children, you should planting more trees around your houses. Okay, they only purify the air, they only filter the carbon dioxide, they only give us oxygen that we need for breathing continuously. And also those who construct the factories or industries, it is better to shift remote areas, okay, na, far off places. Okay, children. Okay, these are all the okay, yes, this is the air pollution. Okay, so what is meant by air pollution? Contamination of air by harmful substances is known as air pollution. Okay, what are the main source of air pollution? Industries and vehicles and factories are the main source of air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? Air pollution is caused by the vehicles. Okay, air pollution is caused by the vehicles. Okay, and factories and industries. Burning of fuels are the main cause of air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? Cancer, trouble in breathing, okay, asthma, okay, and burning sensation in eyes and itching sensation of the skin. Okay, we feel headache. These are all the effects of air pollution. So how to control the air pollution? By growing more plants and trees around your houses or factories or yes, wherever you are, you have to grow more plants around your house, and you have to use eco-friendly gas, that is called CNG, compressed natural gas. And also factories should be built remote areas. Okay, children, tomorrow we will discuss about the water pollution. Today you have to read the textbook Environment 7th lesson. Okay, children, bye, take care, have a good day.